Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And never in my life did I think I have to ask somebody that. I hope you guys are doing good since this corona outbreak is literally taking over each one of us life. So yeah, I hope everyone is doing good, and I really hope you guys are staying at home. I don't want to hear people, like roaming on the streets unnecessarily. No, stay at home, okay? You're watching my video, stay at home, just don't go out, right? So we are going to test like an eyeliner from Purplle. It's the gel eyeliner, and it's very weird. The Nika launched its gel eyeliner and so did Purplle, like, in a very short time. So yeah, this is the gel eyeliner. Let's test this, and this is the look I created with the gel eyeliner. Not the best look, I know, it's a poor look, but nonetheless I think I look pretty, so that is fine with me. So yes, let's get into the video. Let's see how I did this look, because it's a lot of chaos and mess. So yeah, let's go. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. Okay guys, so this is the component we were talking about. This is the Purplle We Gel Over Drama Gel Eyeliner in black. Okay, so this is 3 grams of product in 399 rupees, right? Now I have used it. This is not my first impression of it. I did use it. I still remember one day in the office I forgot. It was like I was in a hurry and I did not wear eyeliner. I thought I would have an eyeliner in my purse and I will do it in the office itself, but I did not have one. And that day I received the parcel of this, so I used it then. It's a pretty thin brush. I wouldn't say it's like absolutely thin, but it isn't thick either. It's like a fine one. And this is how the component is. So it's a tiny bottle, right? But the I would say the length of it is quite a lot, so there is a lot of component in it. I'm sure you will dry it out if you don't use it regularly. I don't use like gel eyeliners every time or all the time, so for me to finish this up isn't that easy. So definitely I don't think I can finish it up in this lifetime. So yeah, that is one thing. So we are going to do like a extensive graphic eyeliner today. I have been trying to do a graphic eyeliner for last 3 to 4 tries and I have not done any, and I just hope today I can do one, because I want like a good graphic eyeliner going on. That is one thing, one dimension I've not dived myself into, and I really want to do it. So I am just going to take like a compact and I'm just going to set my eyelid. I just want my eyelid to be extremely matte and like light colored. That is what we are going for today. Yep. Done one thing. Now this is the gel eyeliner and this is the brush. So basically what you really do is, this is the brush and you just fix this brush onto this lid, and you have like a long elongated brush. So if I dip into this, it's extremely creamy. Guys, I did use like gel eyeliner once and it was from Indian brand. I think it was from Mion. It was extremely hard and it wasn't like very good to use. So let me give you like a swatch of this. So yeah, this is how it is. So quite blendable. See, it does work out. But if I talk about the creaminess of it, the way it glides onto your eyes, that is extremely nice. That is one extremely good pro of it. So yeah, let me try on with the eyeliner. I'll make the wing first. So the quantity I'm taking is extremely less, and I'm just trying to like scrap the excess at the end of the bottle. And what we are doing now is completing the wing. Not the best to make like that very thin swooping wings. So basically if you work in like small strokes, that would be better than just taking all across once. Now let me just do it on the other side. I don't know what I wanted to do and what I've really done. So yeah, see, this is what happened. It's extremely bad over here. What to do with this one? Let me do something about it. Oh shit. Okay, so this is where I have reached with my intense inability to go with graphic eyes and, you know, to go with like thin eyeliners. I cannot work with thin eyeliners, I'm sorry guys. But yeah, I really want to do something about this eye. Today I have sit here to do a graphic eye. I will do something about this damn graphic eye. The poorness of this liner is intense. Guys, it's just mind-blowing to me how bad my skills are. So I have this eyeshadow palette and I have a black color in this. Now since I'm at home, I do not have like all of my eyeshadows and I have to make work with whatever I have. So I'm going to take the black color and I'm going to, you know, even this drama out. This brush is extremely thick, so it's not really easy to even put eyeshadow with it, and certainly I do not trust my own talent now. Okay, so I am going to take the mint palette, and the only color that works from this palette, you know, these neon greens, we are going to take them and I will put them on the inner corner because let's just bring some color in, right? We can do that. Ooh, you guys cannot see how it really looks in real life. In camera it is a little less intense, but in real life it is much better. So it still isn't like too much visible on camera. We'll still try to make it pop even more than this. I'm going to layer till I drop. Okay, so let me put the mascara and eyelashes and then I'll be back and then we'll have a final verdict on this eyeliner. Retails for 400 rupees and on Purplle, if you are an elite member, you buy 10 stuff, you get at 50% off. So you can definitely buy it at least rupees 200, you know, somewhere from 200 to 300. And for 200 to 300, you know, you definitely get like a lot of quantity. The quantity is intense and like a lot of quantity, and definitely I would say I wasn't sure about its jet blackness, but right now sitting over here I can see it's really jet black. So I don't feel it isn't jet black enough. It really is like black enough. So I think that was one con that I felt about it, but you know, even now that has been resolved, so it's fine by me. So would I recommend this one for somebody who loves like a gel eyeliner? Definitely. I'm not an expert of gel eyeliners though, but still I feel it is a really workable product because, you know, listen, I'm very strict with my wings. I know my wings, I know wings, okay? So do I recommend this for a good wing? Definitely I would recommend you to not go with this particular brush. Go with something, I would say, more precise, you know, like more workable. If you are somebody who loves to experiment with the wing entire thing, if you are somebody who just wants to put like a regular wing, you can definitely go with this one. It's workable, you know, the wing is workable, so there's no problem with that. But if you are somebody who can get experimental, if you are somebody like me who can try graphic eyes with their sheer inability to really make them work, definitely I would recommend you to get a brush for it. And other than that, do I really recommend this? I think it is workable. So yeah, this product is like a really nice one. So it's a big thumbs up from my side. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Stay at home, stay safe, and yeah, it's just the time. I hope it shall pass soon. So yep, bye bye.